Okay class, today we will do some social studies. Oh my god. Soundblaster, you know that what you just did is gross. Go to the principal's office right now.
So Soundblaster, what brings you here to my office?
I burped during class.
What? You know that burping in class is gross. That's it. You're expelled. Go home right now.
Oh. Soundblaster, how dare you burp during class? That's it. You are grounded for 72,978 years. Go to your room right now.
Why?
I am going to destroy my mom's car. Ha 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 ha. Here is my mom's car. I will now destroy it with this Bam Slam gadget that I have. Yes, I destroyed my mom's car. Yes, I destroyed my mom's car. Oh crap. Here come my parents.
Oh. Tomir, how dare you destroy my car? That car costed $3,948. That's it.
You are grounded for 675,445 years. Go upstairs to your room right now.
Why?